Operation North Star was a 30-day anti-violent crime initiative conducted by the Marshals Service, apprehending the most violent criminals with warrants in 10 cities across the country. They apprehended over 1,500 fugitives in those cities, most of whom were wanted for the most serious, violent, and harmful offenses, including, in particular, homicide.
The Marshals Service is committed to working with our state and local partners to reduce crime and enhance public safety in our communities across the country. Through these partnerships, we are able to hone in on those who are responsible for the most heinous crimes in our communities and to strategically apply enforcement so that we can hold them accountable and bring justice to those victims.
House Bills 2492's onerous documentary proof of citizenship requirement for certain federal elections constitutes a textbook violation of the National Voter Registration Act. Arizona has passed a law that turns the clock back by imposing unlawful and unnecessary requirements that would block eligible voters from the registration rolls for certain federal elections.